Hello everyone, let's explore together the powerful geospatial data functions available in Spotfire 14.5. Today, we're going to look at the geographical distance calculation. I've got an analysis showing the university campuses in the state of Wisconsin. As you can see, I have added a couple of extra feature layers such as major roads and transportation boundaries. Each dot on this map represents a university campus that's been plotted using longitude and latitude columns in a CRS EPSG 4326. I want to calculate the distance between each university campus in kilometers or in miles. But when we talk about distances on a map, it's not as simple as pulling out a ruler. The type of map projection, or CRS, makes a huge difference. Think of it this way: we're trying to represent a 3D sphere, the Earth, on a 2D surface. That inherently involves some distortion. Now, there are two main categories of CRSs, planar and spherical. Planar CRSs treat the Earth as 2D. They use simple Euclidean distances or straight line distance. This works great for small areas, but as we move further away or cover larger regions, the accuracy plummets, especially at higher latitudes. On the other hand, spherical CRSs like WGS84 acknowledge the Earth's curvature. But even within spherical methods, we have options. For quick checks, we can use Haversine or the Great Circle method. For closer estimates, Haversine with a local radius works well. And for most precise calculations, we turn to the geodesic method. Therefore, make sure you know what CRS and method you use. I have my data. Let's calculate the distance between campuses. I'll go to the Analytics flyout and select Geographic Distance Matrix. For a CRS, I'll type 4326. As per my dataset, keep in mind the input could also be a string here, like GPS, WGS84, etc. For a distance matrix, I will put Haversine. I'll select latitude as latitude and longitude as longitude as per my columns. ID will be the campus column as it is unique, and distance unit will be kilometers. I have a couple of other optional fields, but I'll keep them empty for now. I'll click OK, and the output will be in a new data table. Now, I will only import a table visualization. And you can see I have 3 columns: from, to, and the distance in kilometers. I can also import a histogram using a bar chart and select the distance as my x-axis, being the column, and that's it. And that was it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next quick tip.